Welcome to our channel 1-2-Step, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your Banksa account. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel 1-2-Step, hit that subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to search for Banksa Login just like this. And after you search for Banksa Login, first option where it says Internet Banking Login, click on it and make sure it takes you to banksa.com.au. So it's an Australian bank, so it says .au, alright? And once you're in this page where it says customer number or access number, you can enter either your customer number or your card's access number over here. So I'm going to enter my customer number, and where it says issue number, enter your issue number, and where it says security number, enter your security number, and just click on where it says internet password and enter the password of your account and click on log on. You should be able to log in into your Banksa account. And if you forgot your card number or your security number or your password, right beside them is the forgot option. You can click on it to recover your account as well. That's how we guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel 1-2-Step. I'll see you guys next time.